Hello everyone, it's me Shubho. Today I'm coming to a factory that name is like Wuxi Weicheng-cardanshaft. Factory is actually making the universal cardanshaft. You can find the base design in here and the base like the qualification. So today we just visit all the factories machines so that you can just find out everything. Let's go to visit the factory.
This is the external environment of the factory.
This is Cardan brand vertical machine. So in this machine we using the keyboard and the keyways. See, this is the thing that we actually making those things. This is the CNC machine. This machine making like machine yoke. So you can just have a look of this is the perfect one I say. This is the program control welding machine. Yes, we like assemble all the parts like in the various of the welding. Different parts like welding purpose is like working in here. So you can just look at this purpose to see. Cardan shape warehouse. Here we just all the process like all the finished product are assembled in here. Then it's going from to the shifting. So you can just have a look for the warehouse or everything. That's all for today. See you in our next video. So in our next video we just added some more thing information to it. Bye bye, Jai Jai.